So here's where I'm flying today. I just got on location for this drone shoot. This is high tension wires above. Got to be very careful of that. We've got the towers, a brand new tower that's just going up here. We've got workers out in the middle of an island here that I need to go out and cover. So it's going to have its challenges, but as long as I can stay out of these high tension conductors here, out of these wires, I think we'll be okay. I'll show that to you real quick. So out there on the island is what I'm going to be out to get. But as you can see up above here, we've got these wires that I'm going to need to contend with and stay out of. So anyway, I'm going to get unpacked and get the drone ready and see what we got. So today I'm working with Intren. They are installing this new power line and new tower here. Really pretty cool, but I'll show you my landing zone. We're like in the middle of just some cleared out area here, some really nasty kind of brush, but this is, I'm actually flying the drone over the construction site over their bucket truck, and right now we're waiting on a barge to come up river with a crane so that they can install the top poles that need, or the top portions that need to go on top of these towers. So I'll turn the camera around. So there's the LZ, and this is what I'm flying out toward. And this is what I'm recording, all of this action and progress that's happening out here during the construction. So we're actually down here flying the drone for a big construction project down here. We're actually putting up high tension wires, right? Yep. Tension cables and a new tower in the middle of the river here on an island. But rather than try my stupid self to explain this portion of the job to you, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to turn it over to Ed here, and he's going to explain to us what's actually happening here. So tell us what's going on, Ed.
We're working for Mid-America. Intren is our company. We have a leaning tower out in the river there. They're calling an emergency tower, about ready to fall over. So Intren worked with Superior Walls, right, Dakota? Yeah. And they drilled the foundations in. We set the bases and backfilled it with concrete. So now what we're going to do is transfer the two old poles to the two new poles. We're working on an island. The contractor, our subcontractor, has a crane on a barge. He'll be stacking the steel while the linemen are transferring the wire from the old poles to the new poles. That's pretty much what we're doing. It's 4 161 circuits, kV, 161 kV circuits we're transferring. It's all tested, dead, and grounded, of course. That's pretty much the scope for today.
So as far as from start to finish, how long do you think you guys will have in this?
Once the crane gets here, it'll be all day on the one structure on the right, and then all day on the structure on the left. So we're waiting another 20-25 minutes.
So total for the project, do you have a few days in it, or?
Yeah, we'll have Intren will have at least 4 days into it, and the barge people have had, well, they've been out there on the foundations last week, so they're going to have like a week and a half into it. So, and then clean up. So probably 2 weeks for the barge people.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Thank you.
Okay.
Alright, we just finished a battery here. I'm bringing the footage back to the DP, the director of photography here, to let him copy them. And just a quick word of advice: if you're flying over water, what we're doing here is we're actually taking the card out of the drone and copying it in between flights, so that if heaven forbid I crash this thing into the water, at least we've accumulated that footage up until that point. So hopefully that doesn't happen, but it's better to be safe than sorry in a project like this. So I've just handed over the card to the DP, and he is going to copy it in his computer. Well, that's a wrap. This job is done. Brought 2 birds out today and going home with 2 birds, so I would call that a success. Got some amazing, beautiful footage out here of this particular site, this particular project for the client, and they're happy as can be. I'm happy as can be. It was amazing. So I guess that's a wrap.